In this video, it's time to really contemplate what does it actually mean to design your dream life. Designing your dream life is no small thing. It has a lot to do with imagination, dealing with your inner blocks, dealing with your limiting beliefs so that you can actually expand your horizon, expand your ability to think and create. And it's really about understanding yourself. What does it mean to you to live an extraordinary life? And a big part what motivates me in business and where Colorcraft has played a role in my own life is, what do I want to live? How do I want to live, more importantly? So I am passionate about a lot of things, including traveling, rock climbing, mountaineering, physical stuff. I love going to festivals. I love going to Burning Man. All of these things play into my design of the dream. Literally, like, I am a free, autonomous being to go out in the world and do what I want to do when I want to do it. And that all plays into how I design my schedule, how I design my life, how I design my priorities. And designing your dream life is a meticulous process. Not all the time, but it takes a tremendous amount of thought. It's almost like annual strategic planning or annual goal setting. We put in a lot of thought at the start of the year to break down our goals by quarter, by month, and by day even, and by week, so that we don't have to think about it all the time. Once we've really gotten clear on what it is we're creating, we can actually just break down the plan into small bite-sized chunks, and then we don't actually have to think about it all year anymore. Now we can just kind of live the creation and become present with what we're trying to create. So in this video right now, you're just listening to me talk. There's another training, the long form training, where I actually go through Excel and we have a whole template on life planning that integrates all your personal practices, your spiritual practices, your physical practices, all your business activities, and it breaks the whole thing down into literally what are the things that you have to do, how long are they going to take, are they A, B, or C priorities, are they scheduled into my calendar, into my life, and that way we can take these goals and break them down. And that's what designing a dream life is. So like when I think about my own calendar, some of the key priorities for me is my relationships and my scheduling time to deepen into my personal relationships, to my business relationships. My rock climbing is a huge factor in my calendar. I have scheduled climbing dates, training days, 4 times a week, where I literally have, and then within these training days, there's a scheduled training plan. Right? This all needs to be completely prioritized so that I can do everything. All of my business activities and building stuff has to be scheduled and calendared. So right now I'm in the process of building out this video training program, which is literally 280 modules. I might be able to consolidate, but there's a lot of modules. And if I wish to get the video program done in a year, in 12 months, how many hours is it going to take? And that all has to get scheduled into my calendar. Writing modules, doing the filming, doing the editing. All of this has to be factored in if I actually wish to be on schedule for the thing that I'm creating, which is aligned with the life that I want to live. So there's a lot that is involved with it, with goal setting and priority management. And what I want to encourage you is that it's worth it. If you want to create things in the world, having a plan, it's as simple as that. Having a plan, your chances of success are exponentially increased when you have a plan. So take the time. This all feeds into like the vision work that you've done in your life, creating your life vision. This is all part of designing your life. But it starts with the grandiose, like creating a vision of how do I want to live my life? Then you can really start breaking that vision down into actionable daily and weekly steps and allotting time slots to how long is everything actually going to take to create. So start designing your dream life now and use an integrated approach. Business, relationships, finances, physical health. Build it all into the plan. Use the life planning Excel document in order to structure this. So I strongly encourage you to download that and go through the training. It takes 2 to 3 hours, but it's well worth it because it sets you up for the entire year. But there are benefits to planning out your life. This is your dream.